Hi, welcome to another cooking video. Today I'm going to share to you an easy recipe. It's a braised chicken with tofu in oyster sauce. Let's start cooking. So let's heat the pan and add some cooking oil so that we can fry our tofu. Let's fry this on all sides until it is brown. Set aside the fried tofu. And on the same pan, let's add some cooking oil and then saute the shallots. Add the chicken and fry it until it is half cooked. Then we add the oyster sauce. Return the fried tofu into the pan. And then we add the white parts of the spring onions and give it a stir. Add the water. And the chili bean sauce. Cover and simmer it for about 5 minutes in a low fire. After 5 minutes, this is it. Stir in the green parts of the spring onions and then give it a quick stir. Cover and cook for 1 minute. Turn off the fire, and this is now our recipe for today. Thank you for watching. Till next time.